I find myself in this present moment looking back across the years at a body of work I once gave everything to bring forth the message I came to call the infinite way. Between 1946 and 1964, it was my privilege to carry forward in the language and understanding of my own time the same truth that Jesus Christ revealed 2,000 years before me. It was never mine to keep. It was only ever mine to pass along. I could not have known in those years of writing and teaching what would become of these books once I was no longer here to tend to them myself. And for a time, it seemed the world might lose them. Some of my early publishers let the books slip quietly out of print, and I confess that even from this vantage point, that possibility still touches something tender in me, not for my own sake, but for the sake of every reader who might never have found their way to this message. It was in 1993 that grace moved again, this time through Acropolis Books, who took up the quiet, unglamorous work of keeping every one of my books in print and available to those who are ready for them. 11 manuscripts that had never before found a proper publisher were finally given form. None of this happened by accident, and none of it happened alone. It happened because a great many devoted students of the Infinite Way gave their time, their care, and their faith to a work that was never about profit, only about preservation. Then came a new kind of unfolding one I could not have imagined in my own lifetime. In 2012, Acropolis entered into agreement with my estate to carry this library forward into the world of e-books, making it possible for the message to reach a reader anywhere, instantly, in a form suited to a new age. I am told they undertook this not simply as a technical conversion, but as a sacred trust, determined that the integrity, the consciousness, the very feeling of these books would not be lost in translation to a screen. I have every confidence that trust was honored. And I want to speak directly, if I may, to Michael Krupp and everyone who has stood with him at Acropolis Books. What you have done is not merely publishing. It is stewardship. You took a message I gave with an open hand and made certain it would still find open hands. Decades after mine could no longer offer it, you rebuilt a home for this work online so that any truth seeker anywhere could find the whole of it in one place. You gathered around you students of this path, student after student, quietly willing to see this through, not because it was asked of them, but because grace called them to it, just as it once called me. I am grateful in a way that reaches beyond the words available to me. Whatever measure of peace or freedom a reader has found in these pages, that continuity belongs to you now as much as it ever belonged to me. Thank you, each of you, for perfecting a mission I could only begin. In gratitude, Joel